Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jason Rash and I'm here to talk about network marketing. That's right, I said it, you guys. I'm going to be talking about network marketing today, but more importantly, why some people have joined multiple network marketing companies. Now, if that's you, I totally get it. That makes you a serial network marketer, and that's okay. You guys don't beat yourself up about it. I promise you it's okay. All right, but if that is you in the comments below, let me know by dropping live in the comments below, or if you're coming in on the replay, because you know I love my replayers, drop the word replay in the comments below. I think it's absolutely incredible that you're jumping around trying to find your niche, trying to find what identifies with you. But I think I have a more important reason, so you just don't have to excuse it away, or that wasn't meant for me, or that just wasn't for me. I want to teach you guys a couple different things because I do want to stop the serial network marketing, jumping from company to company. I want to show you what it looks like to have real success inside a network marketing organization. Now, if that's you, let me know in the comments what your goals are. Why did you join a network marketing company? It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter if you sell food. Doesn't matter if you sell, I know some people that sell insurance and network marketing business models, shampoo, supplements, whatever it may be, health loss, collagen, whatever it may be. Let me know what your goals are and why you decided to join that network marketing company. You can let me know that you want to stay at home with your kids, you wanted to make more money, you wanted more freedom, you needed to generate income. Yeah, that's right. You can go ahead and like this broadcast. That's okay. It's all right. Network marketing is not a bad word. So here's what I want to do. I want to jump into this because I think you guys, I want to really explain and lay out what could have possibly happened, to kind of give you some little light bulbs, right? And if at any moment in time while I'm talking, you guys are having any light bulbs, feel free to drop those light bulbs in the comments below. Let me know that I'm out there blowing your mind. Okay, here's what I want to dive into. Yeah, that's right. And Marie, she says, I'm getting my attention going. You got it, girl. Her Monday's going, right? So here's the thing, guys. Most people, when they join a network marketing company, what really happens, unfortunately, the nature of the business, unfortunately for a lot of people, is that they become a number, or the person that joined feels like they became a number. Now, what could happen right here, right? So a couple of things is people sign up, their leaders are all jazzed, and all of a sudden they're all out. They're non-existent, they're ghosted, right? If that's ever happened, you drop a 1 in the comments below. And I just want to say that I am so sorry that something like that happened, because here's the thing, guys. If you join my organization, I'm just being real. I can't even go to sleep at night without following up with people. It's just who I am as a person. I feel that that's my destiny. I just got to help people along in network marketing, right? But unfortunately, some people, this happens. They join, the leader feels that the leader, I hate that term leader, man. It's so overused, right? But the person who actually brings them into the business, they don't know enough about the business, or they don't stay in the business for a long period of time, and then they fall off and the person's left alone. Now, if that's you, let me know in the comments below. You can talk about your experience if you like in the comments below. And here's the thing, guys. I want you to understand, most people that join network marketing companies, they've never been in a leadership position before. Okay, so you can't really blame them if they just kind of ghost, because sometimes people become overwhelmed. If you've ever been overwhelmed with something in your life, drop a 2 in the comments below. Let me know, because I've been overwhelmed before. I've had friends be overwhelmed before. I've had people join and all of a sudden they don't know what's going on. I've had some people join and all of a sudden their business explodes and they're in a lot of demand. So I just want you to understand what's happening. So I don't want you to get angry at those people. But more importantly, here's another reason why some people jump from MLMs to LMMs, right? Unfortunately, sometimes people, they have this dictator control over their people. They want to, if you're not producing for them, they get angry at you, right? If that's ever been you, drop a 3 in the comments below, right? I just talked to a woman today that she had that habit. She said she quit a network marketing company because her leader would call her and get angry at her because she wouldn't produce. I mean, who wants that? I don't want that. That sounds awful. It sounds like a job, right? Have you guys ever had that happen before? Drop me some of these down here in the comments below, right? I mean, that's the number one reason why people jump from MLM to MLM is because of the leadership, right? Lack of leadership. Leader doesn't know how to lead, right? A lot of people, you're going to hear this. I want you guys to really take this in right here, right? A lot of leaders out there, right? I've never had formal training on how to do leadership, number 1. Number 2, a lot of network marketing leaders out there, they value control more than they do production. And this is true. I see this across a lot of organizations, right? And I'll be honest with you, in the past, before I got the right leadership and the right mentor in my life, I might have been guilty of some of that. I'm just being real. I'm human. I admit it. I'm not perfect, right? But leaders in network marketing, a majority of them value control more than they do production from their own team, like stepping in, helping them, supporting them, getting on calls with. If you guys agree with that, bubble up these hearts right here, right? So here's what I want to do, guys. I want to change the stigma. right? A network marketing, right? And then if you have a bad stigma around some network marketing, experiences, right? I want to change that. If you guys have ever had that, let me know in the comments below. I don't think my comments are working. They may be working. I don't know. But I want you guys to understand, this is what happens, right? In network marketing, right? So this could be the reason why you've jumped from company to company to company to company, right? You keep blaming it on yourself. Oh, it's not really that wasn't my thing. This wasn't my thing. But I want you to understand that it really does start with leadership. Right whenever you get that first experience and that taste of great leadership, you're not going to want to let it go. I promise you, right? So if you're out there and your leader has been non-existent, ghosted on you, or treated you like just a number, I feel you. I can 100% feel you out there, right? Hello, come on in, right? It's my wife's personal trainer, man. This is live broadcast, right? So here's what I want you to do. I get it. Listen, I get it. I want you to be successful. Okay, if you're out there and you want to be successful, drop me the trophy emoji in the comments below, right? Because I know that you have a desire to be successful. If you're joining a network marketing company, you want more in life than what you already have. I'm going to say that again. If you join a network marketing company, you want more in life than what you already have. Basically, you want to go from here to here, and you see that network marketing opportunity as the gateway to get you there. Boom. Somebody drop the mic in the comments below. Because I want to change the stigma. Because here's the thing, guys. I'll be very honest with you. Most people don't have an opportunity to make $500. Right? They don't have an opportunity to make $500 extra per month. They just don't have it. They don't have the time. They don't have the energy. They don't have the education. They don't have the knowledge, right? Whatever it may be, network marketing allows that to happen based on your own efforts. You get paid for how much you work, not for what you know. I'm just being real. This is the holy grail of all financial freedom, right? Based on how much you work, right? And here's the thing, guys. I've got a lot of people in my organization having success just like you. These are people just like you. Hundreds of people that have come in and making hundreds of dollars per month, $500 per month, a couple $1,000s per month. I mean, you've got some superstars that are making way above that, right? Here's what I want you to understand. These are average people just like you, just normal people. Substitute teachers. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. Chiropractors, accountants, nurses. What else? Hit me with another one, bro. Personal trainers, beauty people. I mean, dude, I've got people coming in, accountants, right? I've got people coming in from all areas of life that are having success. People just like you. So here's what I want you to think about. Stay-at-home moms. A lot of stay-at-home moms having success, building a business in the online space, or just building a business, period, to provide for their family. Now, here's what I want you to think about. Yeah, man, you guys can bubble that up if that's what you want, man. Like, you guys can go ahead and bubble up these hearts over here on the side, man. I think it's a great thing to go out and make more money. And let me tell you, it's okay to want to make more money. I'm just being real. If that's you, drop those money bags down there in the comments below. I want you to know how important that is. Yeah, my wife's over here just dropping them, right? So here's what I want you to think about, okay? Because I'm going to tell you how easy it is to make $500 a month with my opportunity, right? But I want you to think about your job. I want you to think about how hard, or how many hours, I should say, how many hours you would have to work in your job to make $500. Drop those hours in the comments below. So I'm going to give you an example, right? So if you work to make $10 an hour, right, you're going to have to work 50 hours on top of your regular job. On top of your regular job. This is what I want you to understand. On top of your regular job, do you have 50 hours? And can you sustain that for the rest of your life every weekend? Right? 50 hours is what? You're working, 8-hour days? It's 6 8-hour days throughout the month, right? I mean, can you do that? I don't know. Can you? You may have the bandwidth. I mean, then you pile on kids. You pile on some parents. You pile on you want some vacation. You pile on, man, I want a break, right? Or you pile on the fact that you may not get offered overtime, right? I'm telling you, man. Or your job gets cut. I'm telling you, man, this is the way of the future, right? So check out what I'm telling you, right? $500. How many hours do you have to work right now to make $500? Because I'm going to show you how easy it is to make $500. You ready? With this opportunity that I've got for you right now. Watch this. 4 customers, 1 business builder. It's that easy. And you just made $500, possibly more. Thank you so much for sharing the broadcast, Ricky. By the way, if you guys are loving what I'm talking about right now, I just want to share this broadcast out, man, because I want people in your network to understand how easy. Nobody should walk around on this planet broke. Nobody should walk around on this planet with less than 5 digits in their bank account. I'm telling you, with the fact of social media, you've got a cell phone, you've got network marketing opportunities. I'm telling you, this is what it's all about, man. You got to get paid. I'm telling you, man, go into a job, go into a brick and mortar place, trading your time for dollars is the old way of making money. I'm telling you, listen to what I'm saying. Go into a brick and mortar place. You already know it, Devin, in your soul. You already know it, because I knew this when I was making $100,000 a year. I was like, oh my God, they could pay me $200,000 a year and I wouldn't like this, right? I'm telling you, man, this is how you make real money, sustainable income. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, by the way. $500. Emma says she has to work 10 hours to make $500. That's fantastic, by the way, right? That's like thinking $50 an hour, right? But that's still 10 hours of her time. Yeah, most people don't have that ability, right? That's like $100,000 a year, $105,000 a year if I do the quick math. Here's what I want you to understand. $500. This can be repeated over and over throughout the months, right? Every month, right? 4 customers, 1 business builder. Right? You step into my opportunity, I can help you do that. I can show you how to find those customers. I can show you how to target your message to have business builders. And I want you to understand, these are normal people just like you getting paid. I've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people doing this every single month. I want you guys to understand there's no reason you should ever go without money. There's no reason that you should not to make 300. Yeah, for real, right? There's no reason why you shouldn't have any money, right, in your pocket, right? Go out there, let's make some money. Invest in yourself, invest in your future, and tell me where you want to go, guys. Reach out to me. Let me know where you want to go in your life, right? If you missed out on network marketing opportunities, meaning you've jumped from network marketing company to network marketing company, ask yourself, what's the real situation? Was it the leadership? Was it the direction? Was it the product? Was it the fact that it wasn't on a recurring system basis, right? It didn't have like recurring shipments. Like, what was it? I don't know. But if you want to reach out to me, I will help you navigate that. I promise you that a lot of it probably wasn't you. I can promise you, most of the time, from what I've talked to people, it's not them. Listen, I want to change the stigma of network marketing. I want you to understand that network marketing can be that viable opportunity for you to grow your income, to take care of your family, and to take care of your future, and to make all your dreams come true. Listen, guys, I love you very much. My name is Jason Rash. I'll talk to you guys soon. Message me for further information. Bye, guys. Now go out and make that money, by the way.